Hi, I am Lam Iten from Group 27. My title is Module 2 Part 1 Acquisition and Sourcing. Now I will go to present my part is obtaining software. Overview of obtaining software. A few years ago, company either develop software in-house or purchase a software package, hire consultants to perform the work. Today, a company has many more choice. Example, application service provider, web hoster, software option, and fintech offer enterprise-wide software solution. And then, selection the best development. Such company should be consider the impact of the internet, software processing option, and in-house software development mathematics. Next is the impact of the internet. First is the software as a service. Software as a service is a model of software development where an application is hosted as a service provider to customer over the internet. The advantage is time, cost, scalability, and accessibility, and compatibility. Next is the traditional vs web-based system development. Traditional development, the system design is influenced by compatibility issue. Systems are designed to run on local and wide area network. Scalability is affected by network limitation and constraint. Many applications require sustained desktop computing power and resources. Security issues are usually less complex than web-based systems. And then web-based development systems are developed and delivered in an internet-based framework. Treats the web as the platform rather than just a communication channel. Easily scalable and can run on multiple hardware environments. Used for customer relationship management, order processing, and materials management. Treats the software application as a service that is less dependent on desktop computing power and resources. Last is the limit in-house involvement. And then the involving trends web 2.0, cloud computing and mobile. Web 2.0 will enhance interactive experience, wikis and blog and social networking like Facebook, Twitter. Cloud computing is a technology that uses the internet for storing and managing data on remote service and then access data via the internet. Mobile devices like smartphone and tablet are now found in personal use and across the enterprise. Next is the outsourcing. Outsourcing can refer to the transfer of information system development, operation, or maintenance to an outside firm that provides this service for a fee on a temporary or long-term basis. Renting software from a service provider, outsourcing a basic business processing, or handling a company's entire IT function. No expertise and controlling the cost while dealing with rapid technology change. A firm that offers outsourcing solution is called a service provider. And then issues and consent. Mission critical IT systems should be outsourced only if the result is a cost attractive and reliable or business solution that fits the company's long-term business strategy. Outsourcing also can affect day-to-day company operation and can raise some concern like data security and job security. Offshore outsourcing or global outsourcing refer to the practice of shifting IT development, support, and operation to other countries. Outsourcing fee a fixed fee model use a set fee based on a specific level of service and user support. A subscription model has a variable fee based on the number of users or workstations that have access to the application. A user model or transaction model charge a variable fee based on the volume of transaction or operation performed by the application. Offshore outsourcing. US companies are transferring more work abroad, especially in the areas of IT infrastructure, application development and maintenance, and innovation processing. India, China, and the Philippines are the preferred location for outsourcing. Reason for global outsourcing of IT service: a shortage of qualified personnel and cost saving. Next is in-house software development options. The choice between development versus purchasing software often is called make or buy or build or buy decision. Reason for in-house development is satisfy unequal business requirements, minimize change in business procedure and policies, meet constraints of existing systems, and meet constraints of existing technology, develop internal resources and capabilities, satisfy unique security requirements. And reason for purchasing a software package is lower cost, require less time to implement, proven reliability and performance benchmarks, requires less technical development staff, future upgrade provided by the vendor, and often improved from other companies. Next is the customizing a software package. 3 ways to customize a software package are: you can purchase a basic package that vendor will customize to suit your need. You can negotiate directly with the software vendor to make enhancements to meet your need by paying for the change. You can push the package and make your own modifications if this is permissible under the terms of the software license. A disadvantage of this approach is that system analysts and programmers might be unfamiliar with the software. Vendor will add value at the reseller if buy software package can be a standard commercial program or a customized package designed for a purchase. First, software vendor company that develop software for sale. Next, value-added reseller company that enhance a commercial package by adding custom features and configuring for a particular industry. And then the last, horizontal and vertical application. Horizontal application is a software that can be used by many different types of organizations, and accounting package can be utilized by many different businesses. And then the vertical application package developed to handle information requirements for a specific type of business. The organizations with special system requirements include universities, banks, and hospitals. This is my present part. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Chongchen Han, and my student ID is 12012023334. Now I will brief about my parts in this assignment. The first part I'm gonna talk about is outsourcing vs insourcing. So outsourcing is when a company A makes an agreement with a company B about giving them some part of the work to do. So for example, BMW outsourced with Boss sound system in a way that Boss does all the music for the BMW cars. So often involves bringing in specialists to fill temporary needs or training existing personnel to perform tasks. For example, assign in-house engineers to write technical manuals for equipment they have designed, rather than sending the works to an outside technical writing firm. So the engineers might have to take technical writing course at a local college or university before being able to complete the task successfully. So make or buy. Make or buy analysis is to determining whether a particular product or service should be made or performed inside the organization or purchased from someone else. So often involves financial analysis. Experts, both internal and external, can provide valuable inputs. So there are some examples here. Assume you can list an item you need for a project for $150 per day. To purchase the item, the investment cost is $1,000, and the daily cost will be another $50 per day. How long will it take for the lease cost to be the same as the purchase cost? If you need the item for 12 days, should you lease it or purchase it? So next, set up an equation so the make is equal to the buy. So in this example, use the following equation. Let D be the number of days to use the item. So there's an example here. $150 days equals to $1,000 plus $50 day. So solve for D as follows. So there are two questions here. Subtract $50 day from the right side of the equation to get $100 day and $1,000 equals to $1,000. So next, divide both sides of the equation by $100 day equal to 10 days. The lease cost is the same as the purchase cost at 10 days. If you need the item for 12 days, it will be more economical to purchase it. Okay, so I'm going to the next part. Okay, the definition of architecture. It is a good design is the key to a successful product. System architecture translates the logical design of an information system into a physical structure that includes hardware, software, network support, processing methods, and security. So there are the checklists here. Before making a decision, the system analyst must consider several issues that will affect the architecture choice. Okay, so there are 9 choices here. So the first one, corporate organization and culture. Next, enterprise resource planning. And next one, initial and total cost of the ownership. Okay, scalability, web integration, legacy system interface requirements, processing option, security issue, and corporate portals. So I'm gonna talk the first one, corporate organization and culture. To be successful, an information system must perform well in a company's organization. Best approach to study day-to-day business functions. Talk to users at all levels. So next, enterprise resource planning. It refers to a type of software that organizations use to manage day-by-day business activity, such as accounting, procurement, project management, and supply chain operations. The objective of ERP software is to establish a company-wide strategy for using IT that includes a specified architecture, standards for data processing, network and user interface design. So future success is to integrating new technologies such as mobility and cloud computing. Okay, so the next one. Initial and total cost of ownership. TCO includes tangible purchases, fees, and contracts called hard costs. Additional soft costs, we have 3. The first one is management, support and training, and downtime. So next one is scalability. Scalability refers to the system ability to expand, change, or downsize easily to meet the changing needs of the business enterprise. Scalability will determine the system life expectancy. Okay, so the next one. Web integration. The system analyst must know if the new application will be the part of an e-commerce strategy, the degree of integration with other web-based components. Okay, so web-based application avoids many of the connectivity and compatibility problems. So the next one, security issues. Analysts must consider security issues and how the company will address them. And also, specialists a bit important when data is processed remotely compared to a centralized facility. The web-based system introduced additional security concerns as critical data must be protected in the internet. The next one, corporate portals. A portal is an entrance to a multi-function website. A corporate portal can provide access for customers, employees, suppliers, and the public. It can also integrate with various other systems and provide a consistent look and feel. For example, online.mmu.edu.my. So next one is the processing options. In planning, the architecture's designers must consider how the system will process data online or in batches. So for example, an order entry system requires more network processing and data storage resources. Okay, so the last one is legacy system. It is interfacing a new system with a legacy system involves analysis of data formats and compatibility. So it may need to convert legacy file data, which can be time-consuming and expensive. So that's all about my part. In the end, I hope everyone is enjoying the video. Okay, thank you.